It wasn't a regular morning. For a change, my room was clean. And it's my birthday. Except all my LPS. They're in a pile. Oh well. Oh great, sweetie, you're here. Yeah, aren't you gonna say something? Alright. It's your birthday. Thanks. Hi. You're such a good dog, Jack. Alright, so we're gonna go birthday shopping? They should be here any minute, so just hold on. You can sit with me. Alright. I'll go get it. Move TV. Move there. There. Okay. Come on in, Dave. Ow. He's here. Oh, okay. Cool. Ow. Sorry for pushing you off. It's okay. Ow. Okay. Coming in. Ow. Okay. Birthday shopping time. Birthday shopping time. Come on.